Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to clean a stainless steel sink. Let me show you how it's done. Stainless steel sinks are durable, but they're not indestructible, and you want to make sure that you're keeping them as clean as possible to get the most out of it. Now here's a few tips before we get to the cleaning. One is try not to leave anything in the sink, like a cast iron pan or a sponge or even food debris, because if it's left there for a period of time, you can get surface stains that can be more difficult to remove. So keeping the sink clean of debris is important. You want to rinse it, obviously, on a regular basis. But when it comes to cleaning it, you've got a couple of choices that I really like. One is a vinegar and baking soda paste that you create, and then using a sponge or a scrubbing pad with the grain, you can get deep down cleaning using this solution. But for me, my favorite is a product called Barkeeper's Friend. I've used it for years, and it does a terrific job on stainless steel. With a wet sink, you sprinkle some of this onto the surface, and again, with a sponge or a scrubbing pad with the grain, you clean the sink on all sides and in the corners. The key is to go with that grain, because if you go against it, you can actually create swirls and then mar the finish of the sink. After that, you rinse it with water and you're done. And that's it. If you'd like more information, go to acehardware.com. Follow us on our YouTube channel, or better yet, stop by your neighborhood Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.